daughter, Ruth. You arrived like sudden summer rain, an unexpected gift from heaven. You brought both laughter and the ache of growing change. You're the hurricane to my weather, spinning wild, making everything better. You shake my world, but you hold me together. I love you when you came, and I love you more each season. I will always love you. Ooh, that's my promise, that's my reason. I watch you color in your own sky, so unique. Every shade you choose, talented in your quiet way. I see the light in you, in every little thing you do. You're the hurricane to my weather, spinning wild, making everything better. You shake my world, but you hold me together. I love you when you came, and I love you more each season. I will always love you. Ooh, that's my promise, that's my reason. Nothing can divide us, not distance, not time. Oh, oh, Mama Leah's heart is yours. Every day, every night. Oh, yeah. Tears and joy, we'll share them forever, side by side. You're the hurricane to my weather, spinning wild, making everything better. You shake my world, but you hold me together.